Kakatoos. Good job, bro. There you go. The show has officially started. A round of applause for Jago with Trainer David. Hello everyone and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer Francis. Now guys, here's an object that I will hide under one of these silver cups. Where do you want me to put this hidden object? On your left, on your right, or here in the middle? Which side? Left, right, or middle? Alright, so let's put it right here. Now let's go in our second bird, Dazzle. Dazzle is our sulfur crested cockatoo. Scientific name is Cakatua galerita. Common inhabitants are open woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. They are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? What is that? Say, you can do it, Dazzle! Go, Dazzle! Find the hidden object for us! And we found it! A round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer Mikey! Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful girl of Green Cross. And today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. First, all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me cheer. Sassy! Sassy! Very good, and all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me cheer. Rocky! Rocky! Very well, so we're ready. Trainers ready, set, go! Here comes Rocky on first ball. First score for Rocky. First score for Sassy. Another score for Rocky. Oh, it's a close game for the last ball. Rocky wins! Clear April, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Oh, then we want another race.
Oh, they want another race, Mayor Jerry?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird to get that ring into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So our ring race is remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! It goes round down the first today. And hey, what's happening? Sassy becomes the race at the same time. Sassy! Trainer Jerry, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated!
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, is it true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Of course not! A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer April and Trainer Jerry. Bottoms in particular aren't particularly intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not get bored. So, here is Sassy, our queen papa, and today she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shapes back into the correct slots. Just like Sassy, Green Pacos are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth pacos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is